three project for today. Three project. Let's see if we can make it this to finish for today. See, estimated project is 3. After cut this, we put here, and this one we put here. This one from here. So this one, small table, we can use this for the center, and 3 to 4 project for today. And after you separate this, because there's another one at the back, so we need to remove this screw the bottom from here to here to here. So we need to remove that later, okay, by forcing, just to make use this instead with materials. Okay, so guys, so let's see later after lunch. We need to, so you can click the button for notification bell for upcoming latest video for my project at Amazing Download 2025. This is a tips and tutorial how to make money this summer instead waste of time without nothing. So this is all the tips for today, how to make money for this summer with your projects, okay? Painting, repairing, assemble. That's it. Okay, so see you guys. That's all. Subscribe and click the button for notification bell for upcoming latest video for this week. Okay, this is our materials for today to make money in this summer. Okay, this is a nice state of our project for today. Okay, let's see if we can do it. Okay, see you guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video for today. Okay, see you guys.